Abba, Gege, give them.
Hey, YouTuber, what channel you know?
I know that's what you know. It's not me pet back no. Alfred can no say me e na nkasa film na me dey ase ani mumma. Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time stopping by, the name is Pretty Sarah. So this video actually is going to be a year old. So I better upload it now, right? This is what happened in January 2024 this year when my mate visited. This is what I cooked for them: rice balls with peanut butter soup. And we had lots of fun. So please don't go anywhere. Watch till the end and give me a thumbs up. I started by cleaning my protein very well. I had different types of protein and I mean it, okay? And I used 4 large onions. I only added 1 to the meat. This is the ginger I used and the habanero peppers. I mean, if you want a very detailed video, please feel free to check on my channel. I have so many soup videos. I blended the remaining onions together with the ginger, added it to the meat, to the protein I mean. I also added chicken bouillon as well as salt. Not too many seasoning, okay? The protein, because it's a variety, it's going to do the work for us, okay? Cover and allow this to steam. And I remember that I had this shoulder. Are you also like me? Do you like using the small chopping board? I don't know why. For some reason, I'm so used to using the small chopping board. Anyways, this is the shoulder I got from Farm Food. So in case you have any Farm Food supermarket around, do know that you can get this shoulder as well. Shoulder, I say a nipa shoulder. Wait. I mean, you get what I mean, right? A lamb shoulder. So you can use the bone for your stock. Yeah. Your beef stock. After cutting it into the sizes that I wanted, I washed it nicely and added it to the protein. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? Like the video for me. And please subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Stir to combine. Adjust the seasoning if you have to. Okay, cover and allow this to also cook for a while. I then added a carrot, a whole carrot, and tomato paste. This is the rice balls. Charlie, Abna did well. Wait, I remember Abna Baso. Abna did justice to the mutuo for me. I no drive a mutu, the rice balls. So what you saw going in there is the peppers, okay, the fresh peppers, and some tomatoes. All right, I already had some boiled tomatoes. Stirred very well and covered it back. Please don't leave without subscribing or giving me a thumbs up. Please, you're going to have fun, okay? Stay with me. This channel, is versatile. I do everything some. You get it? So please stay with me, okay? Like the video as well. It's free of charge. I checked on my rice and realized it needed more water, okay? I mean, you know, rice ball. In case you don't know, rice balls is literally you cooking rice and adding excess water because we want it to be soft, to be like sort of dough, okay? That is what rice ball is. What you saw earlier on, I don't know if you missed that. Pardon me if you did, but I'm gonna repeat it. I used the smaller can for the palm soup base, okay? Scoop that into a bowl and add hot water to it. Mix very well and allow this to sit so that the black particles in it will settle at the bottom. Yeah, because we don't need that in our soup. That is what you saw me do earlier. I checked on my rice again and went in with another water. Yes, rice balls require lots of water. That's all you need to do, okay? It shouldn't be fluffy. It's supposed to be mushy. Please let me know where you're watching me from. After a while, I checked on my soup. It was doing well. Into NKATEB3 soup I come in bro, but because this is peanut butter soup, yeah? So this is the perfect time to remove your carrots as well as your large onion. And then pour your palm soup base in it, making sure you don't add the bottom, yeah? The particles that settled at the bottom to it. Discard that one. Stir, cover, and then let's go. Let's move on to our peanuts. So this is the peanut or the groundnut that I used. You can also use the groundnut paste, but this is the one I use. So know that you can also use this. That's it. Blend until it's very smooth before you pour it into your soup. I checked on the rice again. So Muto is checking, especially when you are using a smaller pot for, a bigger quantity. What I say, you're cooking for a large number of people. So that's why I kept checking on it. So if you have a bigger pot, that will make the work easier. I poured the blended, nicely blended. Yes, it needs that word, nicely. Nicely blended peanuts into it, stirred, and look, the soup is looking good already, my boy. But take your time. You need to cook this very well. If not, you're going to have running store. Do you know what running store is? AKA diarrhea. We don't want that. So oil has begun settling on top. For those of you who don't know, we can derive or extract oil from the palm fruit and the peanuts, yeah? That is an indication that our soup is getting to the destination. Okay, so when it was almost done, I went ahead to add my grilled mackerel fish. It was young kwan we jai. She nam sade me cook green appetite. Just na aye fire. I believe you saw how people were enjoying this. And then you still see how they enjoyed it. I know how to eat. See, by the grace of God, I know how to cook. If you happen to be in my area, let me know. Come and I'll cook for you free of charge. To my beautiful family, guys, thank you very much for coming. Listen, I really had fun. Mokokra, pretty Alicia was sad, right? Thank you very much. God bless you all. Please enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you. Nano na me see you. What the end of Allah, two more can come. Show them. Abba, Gege, give them. Rain free. Oh, quite you know. Hey, YouTuber, what can I it's not a pet back no. Alfred can no say me a inankasa film na me de ase ni mumma. Allah wallahi, baby. Oh, now say it's a nyeffe. It's in a yam say. I get you. Change out for the I know. Thank you, my wife. Allah. Kaoni bien. Hey, I need to capture. No can bien. Hey, okri can bien. Okay. I'm not you. I say thank you, my wife. One thing. Allah, a video, my video. Yeah, me then say a video, Listen, me trap picture to change or something on the so. But the sauce on yet. Unu said you can answer a video. Ramen has over my. Hey, me so me want for mamma mia. What a nipper.
Yeah, Mario. Red.
Okay.